Come over here and get this piece. Hold on, wait. Oh, thank you for the apple. I like the apple. Oh, it's really good. Oh, it's a big piece. I like this one. Mmm. Right, thank you. Thank you for the apple. Thank you so much. It's delicious. I'm sorry I'm drooling a little bit on your grass. I'm drooling. Just a little bit because it's so good. Thank you so much. I'm gonna take a shit over here on the ground if you don't mind. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. You're so nice. You're so kind. Don't mind me. I'm gonna go over here and take a shit.